Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle, and I have a few stocks prepared for you for Monday, August 24th to put on your watch list. And the first stock out the gate is stock symbol UDR. That's United Dominion Realty Trust, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at the volume area, the stock did get heavy volume for the past two trading sessions. And on Friday, the volume closed with volume of about 3.6 million, and the average daily volume on the stock is basically 3.3 million. So we got higher than average volume coming to the price of the stock. And also I'd like for you to have a close look at the pivot point. I'm looking for a price move above the pivot point right here between $13.75 and $13.80 in order to take the stock a lot higher. So please keep United Dominion Realty Trust, stock symbol UDR, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside. The next stock out the gate is stock symbol OI. That's Owens, Illinois Incorporated, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that in the volume area, the stock has been moving on lighter than average volume, below the average daily of about 2.14 million, and finished on Friday trading with volume at 1.457 million. So we need to see higher than average volume coming to the price of the stock in order to take it a lot higher. And also we need to see a break above the pivot point between $35.30 to $35.35, because the stock did attempt to break above that area about 3 different occasions, but it never broke above it, so it failed to break out. So we need to see a breakout above $35.30, above the pivot point, to $35.35 in order to take this stock a lot higher. So please keep Owens, Illinois Incorporated, stock symbol OI, on your watch list for a price move to the upside. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol SSCCQ. That's Smurfit Stone Container Corp, which trades on the pink sheets. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock has basically been moving in a sideways consolidations between about 20 cents to about 27 cents for the past 8 trading sessions. And what we're looking for is basically a price break above the pivot point between 28 cents to 31 cents in order to lift the stock a lot higher. And if you also have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that the stock has basically traded on Friday with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. The average daily volume is about 4.45 million, and the stock finished the day trading at about 24 cents, up 2 cents on the day, or 11.63% on the upside, with heavier than average volume of about 11.4 million. So please keep SSCCQ, that's Smurfit Stone Container Corp, on your watch list for a possible move to the upside on Monday. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol BEXP. That's Brigham Exploration Company, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, you would notice that in the volume area, the stock has basically moved to the upside with lighter than average volume for 4 consecutive days coming into the price of the stock. So we need to see heavier than average volume of about 2.8 million in order to take the stock a lot higher, in which we finished on Friday at about 2.6 million. So also we need to see a move above this pivot point between $7.75 to $7.80. And if you notice right here, we have a doji at the close on Friday, so we need to see a move to the upside, but a doji represents indecision in the price of a stock, so we may see a possible move to the downside as well as a move to the upside. But like I mentioned, please pay close attention to the stock on a break above the $7.75 to $7.80 area in order to take BEXP, that's Brigham Exploration Company, a lot higher. The next stock, and last but not least on the watch list, is stock symbol FUQI. That's Fukui International, which trades on the NASDAQ. And what we're looking for, if you have a close look in the volume area, we've had 2 days of slightly lighter than average volume coming into the price of the stock, and we need to see heavier than average volume of about 2 million coming into the price of the stock in order to lift it a lot higher. But also please pay attention to the pivot point area. Right here we need to see a move above the pivot point between $26.30 to $26.35 in order to take the stock a lot higher. But on Friday, the stock finished the day trading at $24.83, up 3 cents, or 0.12% on the upside, with volume of about 1.3 million. And like I mentioned, we need to see heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock above about 2 million in order to lift this stock a lot higher. So please keep Fukui International, as well as stock symbol BEXP, UDR, SSCCQ, and OI, Owens International, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside on Monday. Thank you again for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading.